Okay,
Um,
gotta
yeah.
start.
Um, and now I still think.
No, start from the beginning.
Okay. Hello, I'm Ona, and today I'm going to talk about something that happened to me in August 2012 when I was having holidays with my family in Ceuta. Unfortunately, we missed a train, so we arrived late. But this is not what is the story about. When we were walking through a street, I just don't know why, but I looked up and I suddenly saw a guy. Actually, I think it was a child who literally fell off the fourth floor, and everyone started shouting very loudly. He fell into some tourists that had been having a coffee before. Um, Additionally, they had been injured and they couldn't move. So the ambulance came and took them to the hospital. I still don't know if they are okay or if they are dead. I hope they are okay. And I still don't know what would have happened if I was the one that was having the coffee there. Apart from that, I went to Morocco on the same holiday, and I went by minibus with the driver. Um, I went to have a kebab lunch, and it was actually authentic and delicious. But but the surprise was when I came back to the minibus that someone had stolen almost everything: our cell phones, our credit cards, 700 euros in cash. But thanks, I haven't evolved. They didn't took us our passports, because if they would, we wouldn't be able to come back to Spain. And thanks. This was my presentation.